Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to connect TapSwap to Binance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you want of course, and download the Binance application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Binance if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom, as you can see, we have the markets, we have the square, we have the tab that is buy and deposit, we have the discover, and in the bottom right corner, we have the portfolio tab. But now guys, let's see how actually we can go and connect TapSwap to Binance. So first of all, what you need to do guys is open the app. So first open the app you want to connect to. For example, let's use PancakeSwap for the sake of this video. Then in the top right corner of most of the apps, you'll find connect button where you need to click on it. QR code display. If you're using a desktop browser, a pop-up will appear with the connection options. Click wallet connect to display QR code. Then use your wallet to connect it. Scan your QR code. And after scanning, a pop-up will appear in the wallet. Tap connect to give the app permission to interact with your wallet. And then you're now connected. And just remember to disconnect when you're done by tapping cancel in the top left corner. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.